Today, I want to talk to you about something really important: why consistent in-person follow-up visits are crucial to successfully treating tinnitus. Regardless of the treatment method, follow-up is the key to treating tinnitus effectively, and in this video, I will explain why. I'm Dr. Julie Prutsman, and I have been working with tinnitus patients for the past 20 years. Our videos are intended to help you get control of your tinnitus and experience life-changing results. Treating tinnitus is not a one-time fix. It's a journey. So let's break down why these follow-ups are such a critical part of your progress. Number one, tinnitus is complex and takes time to understand. Tinnitus is rooted in neuroscience, and it takes time to fully understand how it works and how to rewire the brain to block it. Research shows that the most successful patients are those who truly understand the process of tinnitus retraining therapy, or TRT. But here's the thing, it's not something you can fully grasp in 1 or 2 visits. Most patients need repeated explanations to understand how tinnitus occurs and how treatment works. And that's okay. Learning is part of the journey. As we like to say, an educated patient is a better patient. That's why we focus so much on education during follow-up visits. Number 2, tinnitus is unique to you. No 2 brains are the same, and no 2 cases of tinnitus are the same either. For example, certain triggers can make tinnitus worse for one person, but have no effect on someone else. I'll give you an example. I had a patient whose tinnitus would spike every time she ate onions. Yes, onions. While that's not a common trigger, it just goes to show how unique tinnitus is for each individual. Identifying these triggers often requires time, observation, and regular follow-ups, while we can dig deeper into what's happening. Some of these visits can be done virtually, but in-person appointments allow us to truly understand all the factors affecting your tinnitus and make meaningful adjustments to your treatment plan. Number 3, let's compare sound therapy to physical therapy, or PT. You don't just jump straight into heavy exercises when you start PT for a weak muscle. You begin with comfortable movements and gradually increase intensity as you build strength. Tinnitus retraining works the same way. We start with sound levels that are manageable for your brain. Over time, we adjust and increase the input to help rewire the brain and reduce your tinnitus. While apps allow for basic adjustments to sound therapy, the advanced programming software we use in the office is far more precise. Some adjustments need to be tested in real-world situations and refined during in-person visits after your brain has had time to adapt. Think of it this way. Just like you wouldn't do PT without a professional guiding you, the same applies to tinnitus treatment. Having an expert adjust and monitor your progress is critical to long-term success. 4, follow-ups help us support you. These follow-ups aren't just about adjustments, they're also about maintaining your progress and supporting you every step of the way. Here's what happens during these visits. We review TRT concepts to make sure you understand the process and why it's working. We adjust your sound therapy based on how your brain adapts and what's working for you. We maintain your devices, ensuring they're clean, functional, and optimized for your treatment. We track your progress to see how far you've come and identify any new needs. Our follow-up protocol. To give you the best chance of success, we schedule 6 visits during your first year, 4 visits in year 2, and every 6 months after that. These consistent check-ins allow us to refine your treatment, address new triggers, and ensure you're on the path to long-term relief. Final thoughts. Tinnitus treatment is a process, not a quick fix. Patients can see initial benefits right from the start of tinnitus treatment. However, just like physical therapy helps rebuild muscle strength with consistent effort and professional guidance, long-lasting relief from tinnitus retraining therapy requires regular adjustments, education, and monitoring. By committing to these follow-ups, you're giving yourself the best chance to succeed, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at your next visit.